The Earth was never a globe. It's a vast frozen plain, stretching endlessly beneath a dark sky humanity was never meant to fully understand. Beyond the edges of our known world stands the ice wall, a towering frozen barrier guarded in silence for centuries. Governments don't protect it to keep people safe. They protect it to keep something out, or perhaps to keep us in. For generations, they've fed humanity comforting lies. Satellites, fabricated images, space missions, carefully scripted theater performed on hidden stages. Every screen, every classroom, every history book repeats the same illusion until questioning reality itself feels insane. But the cracks are beginning to show. Near the Antarctic border, entire expeditions disappear without explanation. Pilots report strange lights moving beneath storms. Ships lose communication after drifting too close to restricted waters. The few survivors who return are never the same. Their eyes hollow, their speech broken, most vanish within weeks. Because beyond the ice wall, something lives there. Ancient civilizations warned about them long before modern governments existed. Creatures older than recorded history, intelligent beings that move silently across the frozen wastelands beneath permanent darkness. Some are massive enough to blot out entire horizons. Others look almost human. Almost. That's what terrifies the governments the most. They've learned to adapt. For decades, these entities remained trapped beyond the ice, watching humanity from afar, but now they're crossing over, slowly, quietly. They wear masks, synthetic skin, and borrowed identities. They study human behavior. They mimic emotion. They walk through crowded cities unnoticed while learning how we think, how we speak, how we trust. And the worst part? Some of them don't even know they aren't human anymore. Reports of people behaving strangely are increasing worldwide. Sudden personality shifts, blackouts, unexplained violence. Entire communities claiming neighbors don't feel right. Security footage catches distorted faces for a single frame before returning to normal. Hospitals quietly record patients whose biology cannot be explained. Governments dismiss everything as conspiracy theories, mental illness, or internet hysteria. But the disappearances keep happening. Underground whistleblowers have tried exposing the truth. Scientists, military personnel, explorers. Most are silenced before their stories spread. Others are publicly ridiculed until their credibility is destroyed. A few simply vanish after speaking too much. Every year, billions are poured into Antarctic operations disguised as scientific research. But they aren't studying climate change. They're monitoring movement beyond the wall, watching, waiting, because something is coming. Ancient texts buried by history speak of a time when the beings beyond the ice walked openly among humanity. Civilizations collapsed overnight. Entire populations disappeared beneath endless winters and skies filled with shadows moving where no birds should fly. Now those stories are returning. People laugh at the idea because fear works best when hidden beneath disbelief. That's how the illusion survives. Keep humanity distracted, keep them divided, keep them staring upward at fake stars while the real danger approaches from the edge of the world. The Earth is not what they told us, and if the stories are true, the creatures beyond the ice wall are no longer waiting in the darkness. They're already here.